Flatten the surface. Implemented by the activation of the surface of the deployment team finishing. If the button on the panel surface is not on any panel, click right mouse button and activate customize. Go to command, surface and surface flatten. Select and drop and hold and drop and down on the field. Activate the command, select surface and select vertical point on the edge. Click in the field and click on edge on the work field and click OK. We have flattened the surface and we have surface.